Hi everyone out there on YouTube, it's David here from DP Computing once again, and today we've got a unpacking or an unboxing of a Toshiba Satellite Pro R50-B laptop. This is just the box, just a plain old standard Toshiba box, nothing too flash or too exciting. So as I said, we're just going to open it up, see what's in there and go from there. So we've just got to get through the little tab, make sure it's cut, it's a bit better. I should probably turn it around the other way. There we go, so we've got the, looks like just the discs itself, then the laptop. And then up here should be some cables. So standard cables, I'll just pop the box to one side. So as I said, here we've got the cables, that's just a normal power cable for Australia. And this is just the power adapter here. It's just a standard AC adapter. It's got an output of 19 volt, 2.37 amp. And if I can find, there's a model number here which is PA3822E-1AC3. So we'll see if we can pick it up there on the camera. Doesn't look like it likes it. No, so I'll just put that to one side. Here we've got the manuals and the recovery discs. See if we can nicely open this. See what discs and things we get in here. So that's just an instruction manual for safety and comfort. So nothing too exciting in there. Then we've got the limited warranty, so limited warranty statement. And here it looks like another information sheet for Windows 8.1. The user information guide, probably like a quick start guide, how to set it all up. And the other side of that. And then some stuff about Norton's 60-day free protection. I generally remove Norton straight away anyway. Here the recovery discs. Now this laptop should have Windows 7.1 actually on it, but it comes with recovery discs for Windows, or install discs for Windows 8 as well. So there we've got Windows 8.1 Pro, and that's disk 1 of 3, disk 2 of 3, and guess what? Disk 3 of 3. Now we'll get to the laptop itself. It's just in these two foam sort of packaging, so pull that off, this one off. Then we've got the normal important notice from Toshiba. See the underneath of it. Probably two sides. I'll just open this. They don't make it nice and easy though, do they? So there's the top of the laptop, the nice Toshiba thing down the bottom instead of in the middle. Underneath, so I've got the battery down there, optical drive there, and just the normal things there. Now here we'll open it up. So we've got the nice little cover there. So we've got the keyboard, trackpad. This one's got a separate numerical pad there as well. So just have a quick look at the adapters we've got on each side. So it looks like we've got two USB 3, HDMI, and not HDMI, video. And what we've got on this side, we've got another USB, an audio jack, and your Ethernet port. So there we go. What else we got? Yep, and just here at the back, we've got the battery, so we can remove that easily and just pull it out. It's a very tiny battery there. And let's see, it's a rechargeable lithium-ion battery pack, model number PA5212U-1BRS. And it's a 14.8 volt / 14.8 volt, 45 watt, 28,000 milliamp. So we'll see if we can get any of that in focus. And again, doesn't like to do it, does it? Anyway, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll do a quick probably update on how to probably remove the back panel, get into the optical drive, change memory and so forth. So I'll just, hopefully there should be a link up on the screen now. So thanks again for watching, and check out our YouTube channel, which is www.youtube.com/DP Computing. You'll find a whole heap of other teardowns, openings and stuff for laptops and a few other computer bits and pieces. Thanks again, and I'll catch you next time. Bye for now.